First things first, I appreciate your support. So this is a Hisense washing machine, 7 kilos, that is giving an F13 error code. So let's select a program. Let's see, this is a quick 15, and then we press the start button. So immediately it's giving us an F13 error code with this blinking sign here. This is a key lock sign, so the door is not locking. So what we're going to do is we power it off, and then we remove it from power. So we're going to access this door switch. To do that, we're going to remove this rubber clipper. There's a wire here, so we identify the spring. There's a spring somewhere here. So using a flat screwdriver, we are going to pull out the spring. This is the spring, and that's how we remove the clipper. Once that is done, we pull out the door rubber seal, because the switch is somewhere here. This is the switch, so we remove these two screws. There's a switch, so we remove this clipper here, disconnect it from the wiring harness. So we get the exact door switch, we replace, and see if the F13 error code will disappear. Checked so many door switches and it's not compatible. So I'm going to open this up. We see if it's something that we can repair.